Well, Google just released a brand new open source AI model called DiffusionGemma. But unlike the other Gemma and Gemini models that Google has released in the past 2 or 3 years, the DiffusionGemma model is very different. It is not yet another autoregressive AI model. No, it is actually a diffusion AI model. It is a diffusion large language model, which is very interesting because diffusion is usually the inference process that is used for image models, not large language model. But this is actually not new because about a year ago, Google has released an experiment to apply this technology to the Gemini model. And at the time, I actually have done some testing and yeah, it was really fast. It is just able to produce the whole block of text in one go. So that's why in this chart, you can see that the model is pulling ahead the other Gemma 4 models, even with the MTP or the multi-token prediction feature enabled. So that is insane. And it is also nice that the model is completely open source. You can download and run the weight on your computer, which I will talk about later. But for now, I'll show you just the general overview of the model and also how you can access it, and maybe I'll do some testing after this. So this is from their own article, and apparently the model is able to generate the entire blocks of text simultaneously, and it is up to 4 times faster on the GPU. So I think this particular section is very important because it is faster on a GPU. So if you are running the model on, let's say, a system RAM or system memory, I don't think you will see this level of improvement, but perhaps I think it will still be a lot faster than the regular autoregressive AI model. So yeah, these are some bullet points, but basically they're just telling you that, hey, this model is really fast. You can expect something that can be done by this model in a fraction of the time against the other autoregressive AI models. Now, if you want to play around with the model, I guess there are 2 options. You can download and then run the model locally, or you can also just try the demo or the playground on the cloud. So if you want to download this model, I guess you can use LM Studio, and then you can navigate to model search and you can search for DiffusionGemma. And right now, when I'm recording this video, there is only one option that has been quantized by a user named Onslaught in LM Studio. So this is a version that is compatible with llama.c++, and I haven't tried it though. I haven't downloaded the model because the size is 16.81 gigabytes. My GPU is only 16 gigabytes, so it is not able to contain the whole weight on my computer. Sure, I can offload that to my system memory, my RAM basically, but it's kind of defeating the purpose because the whole point of the diffusion large language model like DiffusionGemma is make the model really fast. But if I'm running the model on the system memory, then it will still be very slow regardless. So if you have a computer with 24 gigabytes of video memory or 32 gigabytes of video memory, I think you can run the model quite comfortably on the system. Now, because of that, I guess I'm going to try this model on the cloud. And right now, again, because it is still very new, there is only one place that I have found to be hosting the model, and that is this NVIDIA page, and I'm going to put the link of this page in the description down below in case you want to check it out. So you can click the playground menu and then you can start chatting with the model. So I'm going to do some testing, and then later I guess I will try to compare it against the other model from Google, the autoregressive model, and we will see the comparison, the speed again, these 2 AI models. So let's try something like, maybe I want to create perhaps a Flappy Bird video game but 3D. So generate a Flappy Bird video game but 3D in one single HTML file. That's a very simple prompt. And okay, let me check the other settings. Okay, there are tools enabled, and there is also settings for the model. Yep. Okay, I think I want to set it to maximum. Let's see, what is the maximum here? 32,000 tokens maximum of the output of the model. So that is the maximum. Now I'm going to send this. Remember, it has the reasoning on, so we have to wait a while until we got the whole answer. But I'm going to click this button and let's wait for the answer. Okay, it is done. It's not even 2 seconds. It's not even 2 seconds. Wow, yeah, that's actually way faster than I expected. I haven't tried the model. I only just say something like write a paragraph or something, but I never tried that for coding. And wow, that's actually really, really quick. So I'm going to copy this and let's see if we can actually play the game. Let's try something. I have this page that can render an HTML file. Okay, so 3D Flappy Bird. Okay, it doesn't play. I cannot do anything. Okay, let me try it again. I'm going to tell AI that, hey, when I click the start game button, I don't see anything. It doesn't play the game. Now, in the meantime, I think we can generate the code, generate the game, but using the autoregressive Gemini model. So the closest autoregressive model from Google that has the speed that is quite similar to the DiffusionGemma would be the Gemini 3.1 flashlight. So let's try that and we'll get the answer maybe in several seconds. Okay, it is done. I think the code is done. I'm going to click this, download the code, and oh, okay, well, at least it is playable. I can see something. This resembles Flappy Bird, although not a good one, and there is no collision at all. I think I really don't have to do anything. I just need to press the spacebar button several times to keep the bird flying, and that's about it. So it is not functional, but at least I was able to see the game. So I guess even though it is not as fast as the DiffusionGemma model, it is safe to say that the code quality or the intelligence of the model is higher than the Diffusion model. Okay, let me go back to this page again, and I think we got the new version. I'm going to copy it. Okay, it's here. Okay, now at least we can see something. All right. Okay. Wow, it's surprisingly more functional. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Oh, I just hit something. Yeah, it's actually, I don't know, it feels better compared to the one that was created by the flashlight model. So maybe with a little bit of prompting, we can get a high quality result from the DiffusionGemma model. So yeah, it's interesting that we have this model. Unfortunately, I cannot download and play this model on my computer because of the fact that I don't have enough video memory. But I bet that Google will eventually release a smaller version of the DiffusionGemma model, perhaps with maybe 12 billion parameters, something that I think my computer can run quite well. So it's amazing that if we can get maybe 4 billion or 2 billion AI models that we can use for some little things like maybe doing some translation or summarizing article, or doing some little things on our computer, that would be really, really awesome. Like for example, this app that I built myself, and it is being powered by the Gemma 4 model. So it's really interesting if I can use the DiffusionGemma model on my computer. But regardless, it's nice to see that we have a new option. We are not stuck with the autoregressive technology, and we can get a way faster answer from the local AI model. So again, I'm going to put the link of this page in the description down below in case you want to check it out. So if you want to know some more AI use cases and tutorials, then you can subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my future videos. Have a great day.